Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So today we are going to solve the exercise 2.2 of the maths class 8 chapter 2. Please note that this is the 2024 edition, so if you're using an older version of the textbook, your exercise numbers may not match. Now I'm going to show you the step-by-step solution with detailed explanation, but before that I'd request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if it's not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides, you're going to find a few links. Make sure to join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get all the updates. So on this note, let's move ahead and solve the exercises. So the first exercise, question is, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1/8. What is the number? So what we're going to do, we don't know the number. We're going to say let the number be x. Then next, what you're going to do is you subtract half from xy, because given that if you subtract half from the number which is x and multiply by the result 1/2, you get 1/8. So we're going to go step by step. First we subtract half from s, we're going to get x minus half, then multiply the resulting by half, we get 1/8. So basically x minus half, when you multiply by half you get 1/8. Now you go and solve this further. Solving for x, what are you going to do? You leave this bracket as it is, x minus 1/2. 2 is going to go at the other side, so 1/8 multiplied by 2, which is 1/4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So basically you get x minus half is equals to 1/4. So adding half from both sides, so you'll have half and half cancelling each other, and quarter plus half is 3/4. So your answer is 3/4. Let's move to the second one. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So let the breadth be b and the length be l. So next, given that length is 2 plus 2b, how did we get this equation? See, you can see the perimeter of the rectangle swimming pool is 154. We have been given that length is equal to 2 meters more than twice its breadth. B is breadth over here, what we have taken. So twice the breadth plus 2 meter is equals to length. So this is how we have got equation 1 based on the given fact. And we know that perimeter is what for a rectangle? Twice length plus twice breadth. So 2l plus 2b is equals to 154. The first equation is L is 2 plus 2b, and the second equation is 2l plus 2b is 154. So substituting L in equation 2. So in equation 2 we are going to substitute L. So you get what? 2 into what is L? Basically 2 plus 2b. So 2 plus 2b plus this 2b is 154. Solving it further, you have 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 2 is 4b, plus 2b is 154. So 6b is 150. How 150? 6b, 4 is going to go here, negative sign, 154 minus 4 is 150. So you get b is 25. So we have already got b. Now we need to find L. So what is L? Basically L is nothing but 2 plus 2b. How did we get it? Equation 1. So substituting the value of b over here, 2 plus 2 into 25. So L is equals to 52. How? 25 into 2 is 50 plus 2. L is 52. So what are the length and breadth of the pool? So the length is 52 meters and the breadth is 25 meters. The third question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter and the perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So we have been given the perimeter over here, we have been given the base over here, and we have been asked to find the equal sides which are there. So let's say let the length of each of the equal sides be s. You can take any letter for that matter, x, y, z, whatever. I have taken s, so it becomes easier, s per side. So using the formula for perimeter, so what is the formula for perimeter of an isosceles triangle? Perimeter of is twice the sides plus b. So we have been given that perimeter is 4 2 by 15, 2s is over here as it is, and 4 by 3 is the base of the isosceles triangle. So let's solve the unknown over here, which is 2s. So This is 15 into 460 plus 262 upon 15 is 2s plus 4 upon 3. So you take 2s over here, 2s as it is, and you 62 upon 15 minus 4 by 3. So 2s is what? 62 into 3 minus 15 into 4 upon 15 into 3 is 45. So you get as 2s is what? 186 minus 60 upon 45, which is 126 upon 45. So s is 63 upon 45. How? This was 2s, 2 goes down, so it's going to cancel. 2 6 are 12, 2 3, and you have over here 9 7s are 63, 9 5s are 45. So you get s is 7 upon 5. So the length of either of the remaining equal sides of this isosceles triangle is 7 upon 5. Next question. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. So let the two numbers be x and 5. What have been given? Given that the sum of the two numbers is 95. So x plus y is 95. Let's say this is equation 1. And second, what we have been given, if one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. So x minus 15 is y. So basically one is more than the other, so you subtract 15 over here. So this is the second equation what you are getting. So substituting x in the first equation. So what you are going to do is you are going to substitute the value of x in the first equation. We get what? X is nothing but 15 plus y, because 15 is going to come over here, plus y is 95. So solving it down further, 15 plus 2y is 95. You get 2y is 80. How 80? 95 minus 15. So y is 40. So using the second equation, we know the value of 40. So x minus 15 is equals to y, which is 40. So x is nothing but 40. This minus 15 will come over here as plus 15, and you get x is as 55. So the numbers are 55 and 40. Going to the next question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5 by 3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So let the two numbers be 5x and 3x. Why 5x and 3x? Because we have been given the ratio as 5 is to 3. Hence you take it as 5x and 3x. The second information what we have is given that they differ by 18. So 5x minus 3x is 18. Now, if we solve this down further, you get what? 2x is 18. Hence, x is equals to 9. So 5x is what? 5 into 9, which is 45. And 3x is what? 3 into 9, which is 27. So the numbers are what? 45 and 27. Next question, question number 6. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So let the three consecutive integers be what? X, x plus 1, and x plus 2. Why? Because what are consecutive integers? Basically each one is going to be increasing, the value will be increasing by 1. Hence if you consider the first one x, you're going to take the second one as x plus 1, and the third one as x plus 2 over here. Then what is given? Three consecutive integers add up to 51. So we know that if you add all three, the value will be 51. Let's put it in an equation. So what is it? X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is 51. Solving that further, we have what? X plus x, which is 3x, is 1 plus 2. This is straightforward addition, so we can straight away go and we get 3x plus 3 is 51. Hence 3x is what? 48. 3 goes over here as negative sign, so you get x is equals to 16. So if x is 16, these are consecutive numbers. What will be the other x plus 1? It will be 17, and x plus 2 will be 18. Hence the three consecutive integers are nothing but 16, 17 and 18. Next question, question number 7. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So let the three consecutive multiples of 8 be. First is 8x. Second is 8 into x plus 1, because again the same way the consecutive means it will be greater than 1. And next is x plus 2. So given that the sum of these three consecutive multiples is 888, so 8x plus 8 into x plus 1 plus 8 into x plus 2 is equals to 888 over here. So 8x plus 8 into x is what? 8x. 8 ones are 8 over here. Then you have again 8 into x is 8x. 8 to the 16 is equals to 888 over here. So 8, 8, 8, you get what? 24x plus 16 plus 8 is 24 is 888. So 24x is 888 minus 24. 24x is 864. Hence x is equals to 36. The 24 divides 864. 36 times. So the value of x is 36. So what is 8x? 8x is 288. X is equals to 8 into 36 into 8, which is 288. The second one, 8 into x plus 1 is 296 over here. So 36 plus 1, 37. 37 into 8 is 296. Then this is 36 plus 2, 38. 38 into 8 is 304. So the multiples are 288, 296 and 304. Three consecutive integers, question number 8 over here, three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in an increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So let the three consecutive integers be a plus 1, a plus 2. Now given what? Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in an increasing order, that is a plus 1, a plus 2, and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. So what you need to do, you need to multiply 2 to a, 3 to a plus 1 and 4 to a plus 2 and add them up. You are going to get 74. So that's how we are going to put it in the equation over here. You multiply a by 2, then 3 by a plus 1 and 4 by a plus 2. You add them all up, you're going to get 74. So you get what? 2a, 2 into a is 2a, plus 3a plus 3 plus 4a plus 4 to the 8 is 74. So what do you have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9a over here. So you have 9a plus 8 plus 3 is 11 is 74. So 9a is 63. A is equals to 7. So a plus 1 is 8. A plus 2 is 9. So the integers which are there, consecutive integers, are 7, 8 and 9. Let's solve question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of the ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So let the present ages of Rahul and Harun be 5a and 7 respectively. Why? Because you see the ratio is 5:7. We have done a similar ratio earlier in this particular exercise, so it will be easier for you to frame. So given what? 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So 5a plus 4 plus 7a plus 4. Basically, what is 5a and 7a? The ratio of the ages is equals to 56. So let's go and solve it further. So you have what? 7a plus 7 plus 5 is 12. A plus 8 is 56. So 12a is 48. A is 4. So 5a is what? Basically 5 into 4 is 20. 7 is what? 7 into 4, which is 28. So Rahul is basically 20 years old and Harun is 28 years old. I hope that you are getting what we are learning over here. So if you just need to check out these ratios over here once again, 4 5s would be 20 and 4 7s are 28. So this is the ratio 5:7 over here. Question number 10. The number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? So let the number of boys be 7a and the number of girls be 5a. Why? Because the ratio is what? 7:5. Now given what? That the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So number of boys is how much? 7a is what? 8 more than the number of girls, which is 5a. What is the what is the total class strength? So we solve this. 7a minus 5a is 8. 5a comes over here. So you have what? 2a is 8. is 4. Hence, the number of boys is what? 7, 8. 7 into 4 is 28. Number of girls is 5, 8, which is 5 into 4 is 20. So girls plus boys is how much? 28 plus 20, which is 48. So the total class strength is 48. Number 11, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all three is 135. What is the age of each one of them? So let's solve it. Let's Baichung's age be x. Let's keep Baichung's age is x. That is how, given that what? That Baichung's father is 26 younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So father's age is what? Baichung's age plus 29 and grandfather's age is what? Baichung's father is 26 years younger. That means it is 26 years more than Baichung over here and his father. So x plus 29 plus 26. So what is it? X plus 55. So Baichung's age is x, his father's age 29 and his grandfather is x plus 55. So given that the sum of ages of all three is 135, what is the age of each of them? So what is this? We need to add up all three, x, this and this, which is going to sum up to 135. So x plus 29 plus x plus 55 is 135. Solving it further, you get what? 3x plus 84 is 135. So 3x is equal to 51, x is 17. So we have got the first age, which is Baichung's age at 17. So what's his father's age? So basically using 2 over here, father's age is what? X plus 29. So 17 plus 29 is 46, sorry. Using 3, the grandfather's age is what? X plus 55, which is here. So what is x over here? 17. So 17 plus 55, 72. So you can see that Baichung's age is 17 years old, his father is 46 years old, and his grandfather is 72 years old. Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is his Ravi's present age? So let's Ravi's present age be x. Given that x plus 15 is 4x. How? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So this is 4 times his present age. So x plus 15. That is how you're going to express it. So you solve this, what? 15 is equals to 3x. How 3x? X is going to come here as a negative over here. So 3x is 15. X is equals to 5. So Ravi's present age is 5 years. So question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 2 to the product, you get negative 7 upon 12. What is the number? So let the rational number be x. So given what? That when you multiply it by 5 by 2, so x into 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3, which is you're adding 2 by 3, you get negative 7 by 12. So this is pretty straightforward to frame as a equation. Now let's go about solving it. So you get what? 5 by 2x, which is over here, when you multiply, plus 2 by 3 is negative 7 upon 12. So 5x upon 2 is what? Negative 7 upon 12 minus 2 upon 3. Solving it further, 5x upon 2 is what? 7 3s are 21, 12 2s are 24. So negative 21 minus 24 upon 36, which is negative 45 upon 36. Solve it down further. So you get what? 9 5s are 45 and 9 4s are 36. So x is what? Negative 5 upon 4 into 2 upon 5. When this is going over here, it's going to inverse and multiply. So you have 5 and 5 cancelling itself out, and 2 1s are 2 over here. So it's going to be negative half over here. So the rational number is what? Negative half. Now let's take the number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 100, 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of number of these notes is 235. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So given that the ratio of these notes is what? 2 is to 3 is to 5. So let the number of 100 notes be what? 2x. Since the 100 notes are twice in ratio, it's 2x. So 50 would be what? 3. So 3x. And the 10 rupees how much? 5x. So let's denote this as 1, 2 and 3. So what have we given? Given that the total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. So you have 100 notes of 2x. So you're going to do what? 100 into 2x plus 50 notes you have of 3x and 10 into 5x. So you will get total 4 lakh rupees over here. So when you solve it further, this is what? 100 into 2x is 200x plus 150x plus 50x is 4 lakhs. So 400x 4 lakhs, x is 1000. Now you're going to replace this over here. So using 1, we get what? 2x is 2 into 1000, that is 2000 over here. So you have 2000 notes of 100. Using in the second one, you had 3x, 3 into 1000 is 3000. Likewise in the third one, 5 into 1000 is over here. So you have what? 5 into 1000 is, actually it should be here 5000, I'm sorry, over here, not this thing, 10,000. So Lakshmi has how much? 2000 notes of rupees 100, 3000 of 50, and you can see here it's written correctly 5000 notes of rupees 10. So this is an error in type over here. This should be 5000 over here. 5 into 1000 is 5000. So question number 15, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, 2 and 5. The number of 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total of number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? So let's say the number of rupees 1 coins be x and rupees 2 coins be y and rupees 5 coins be z. So what we have been given, I have a total of rupees 300 coins of denomination 1, 2 and 5. So what is denomination 5 over here? X. And how many value is what? 1. So you have x plus what? Over here denomination 2 is what? Y. So 2 into y. And denomination 5 is what? For z. So 5 into z is 3000. So this is our equation 1, given information. Then what is given? Given that the number of 2 coins, 2 rupees coins basically, is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. So 2 rupees coins is what? Basically y, which is 3 times the 5 rupees coins, which is z. So this is our second equation. Then the third information given is what? The total number of coins is 160. So if you add this x, y and z, the total coin value would be 160. This is our third equation. So what we are going to do is we are going to use equation 2 in 1. So you're going to use this y is equals to 3z in this equation. So what you're going to get? X plus 2 into y. So what is y basically? 3z. So 2 into 3z plus 5z is 300. So you have what? X plus 11z is equals to 300. 2 3s are 6 over here plus 5. 11z is 300. Let's call this equation 4. Now using 2 in 3, now we substituted 2 in 1. Now we're going to substitute 2 in 3. We get what? X plus y. Y is what? 3z over here plus z is 160. Solving it further, x plus 4z is 160 or x is 160 minus 4z. Let's call this equation 5. Now using these two equations 4 and 5. So what is x over here? 140 minus 4z. So you replace x by here, 160 minus 4z plus 11z is 300. So you get what? 160 plus 7x is 300, or 7z is 300 minus 160, which is 140. So z is basically 20. 7 2s are 20 over here. So we've got the value of z. Now using equation 2, where is equation 2? What is y? Y is 3 times z. So 3 into 20 is 60. Using equation 3, x plus y plus z is 160. So x plus, what is the value of y over here? 60. And what is the value of z? 20. So you have x plus 20 plus 60 is 160. So that is what? X plus 80 is 160. So x is what? 80. So 160 minus 8 is 80. So you have got the values of x, y and z. So we can say I have 80 rupees 1 coins, which is your x, then you have 60 rupees 2 coins, which is your Y, and 20 rupees 5 coins, which is your Z. So let's move on to the last question of this particular exercise, which is 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win gets prize of 25. The total prize money distributed is ₹3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. So let the number of winners be X. So the number of participants who did not win will be what? 63 minus X. Why? Because the total participants were 63 over here. Each winning participant will get ₹100. So if X participants are winners, what will the total amount? 100X. And non-winning participants will get 25. So what are the non-winning participants? We've already written here 63 minus X, and each one is going to get 25. So it will be 63 minus X into 25. And given that the total prize money is how much? 3,000 over here. Hence we can say that 100X basically, which is this, and 63 minus X into 25 is 3,000. So the total money is distributed in this fashion. So when you go to solve this, you get 100X plus 25 into 63 is 1575 minus 25X is 3,000. You get 75X is 3,000 minus 1575. 75X is 1425. So you get X is what? 1425 on 75, which is 19 over here. So the total number of winners are 19. Why? Because X is what we had selected. So with this we come to the conclusion of exercise over here, this particular exercise. That I hope you like this particular video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section if you have had any queries, and do share this across so that more and more people can use it. And as I always repeat when sharing the exercises, here is a thing what I'm trying to do is solve it and make it easier for you to understand. Once you have understood the concept, please try to do it on your own. Okay, so before winding up, a humble request, do subscribe to the channel and do click the bell icon. Until the next video, take care and be safe.